How to find the installation drawings? We have a box with yellow label. Please first open on both 4 sides. To make sure that you won't miss it, we have all the drawings inside, no matter for one kitchen or one whole house. All drawings are packed in this box. When you open the box, you will find a blue envelope. Open the envelope, you will find the papers. This is the 2D drawings. 2D drawings. And this is the assembly instructions, including the panel label position, full name explanation, and the sequence of install the cabinets and the tips, all in this papers, all in this documents. If there are many rooms, we will separate the drawings like this, one by one, so you can easily tell. So you can easily separate the drawings.